Isuzu has made a new addition to the D-Max range in the United Kingdom with the new Utah Luxe. Available in a limited number of just 75 units, it's offered in the double cab body style and can be ordered with a manual or automatic transmission. Pricing kicks off at £26,159 in the case of the former, and £27,159 for the latter, without tax. The automaker claims that despite the considerable number of upgrades, the new D-Max Utah Luxe is only £1,000 more expensive than the stock double cab version. Paying the premium means having your D-Max with a front bumper guard and bonnet protector that offer a stylish dynamic to the vehicle, according to the automaker. The Pro Lift Tailgate Assist, which reduces tailgate weight by 95% for easier and safer opening, is standard, as well, along with the 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels and new carpet mats. Isuzu's D-Max Utah Luxe can be ordered in one of the three distinct colors called titanium silver, pictured below, splash white and cosmic black mica. Besides the Luxe, customers can also choose one of the 5 trim grades available in the UK, named Utility, Mica, Yukon, Utah, and Blade. Standard gear present across the range includes air conditioning, power windows, Bluetooth, USB port, LED DRLs, hill descent control and hill start assist. Opting for the top-of-the-line model gets you a 9-inch infotainment system with an HDMI port, alongside the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, climate control and leather upholstery that are available from the Utah grade. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.